I'm Jeff and we're in Seal Beach, California today. Who's ready to go on a photo walk? Get out your cameras, everyone. Hey, we're back on the road again with another photo walk road trip, this time down the South Coast Highway through the beach communities of Seal Beach, Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, Balboa Island, Laguna Beach, and ending off in Dana Point. Seal Beach is one of the smaller beach communities in Orange County, very retro. I'm standing in front of a shell and rock shop. It doesn't get more beachy keen than that. And as you'll see, not as dramatic as some of the other beach cities, but it's got its attributes. Let's go take a photo. Let's do it together and explore. Photographically, Seal Beach is not as dramatic as some of the other beach cities we're about to see down the road. Main Street is its main calling card. Very quaint, small town America here in California, the type of beach city they don't make anymore. I'd bring a model, a loved one, do some portraits, do a photo shoot right there in downtown, wait for the pier to get remodeled, which is going to be in 2020. That said, sport shooter alert, Seal Beach has something really cool that you're unlikely to see in the other beach cities: wind. A small pocket of Seal Beach is a windsurfing paradise. Where are the seals?
They used to be on the beach.
But they left? They're not here anymore?
Once in a while you'll see them up there. It's but not like they used to be. They used to be laying on the sand and everything around the power plant.
And that's why they call it Seal Beach, right?
Yeah, that's why.
Well, this was as close on our visit as we got to seeing a seal in Seal Beach, and we missed the sunset too. It was overcast, but that's okay. Two great reasons to come. Down the Coast Highway to Huntington Beach, Surf City, USA. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching the Photowalks channel. Stay tuned.